What's up, y'all? So I came back to trying to finish the time machine. I ran into a little situation where these little lines don't line up with the little markings on the camshaft. So tomorrow I'm gonna have someone come look at it. In the meantime, I'm gonna try to put the cover back on, so I'm able to put the motor mount on and be able to take the oil pan off and do some cleaning in the oil pan and put some sealant on it and have it all ready for to be put back together. But that was the only trouble that I came across. It's my first time doing the timing belt, so I kind of don't want to mess it up, and rather have someone with more experience look at it than just me fucking this up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the oil pan and clean the oil pan out from all the residue from the old gasket and have it all ready. I might end up putting the tear down. I might end up putting the tear down up and so you have an idea. The one advice I do have is making sure you have the right tool to take off the crankshaft bolt. So yeah, that's the one tip I do have. And if you do mess up, just make sure you have a local mechanic to help you out. Yeah, other than that, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully it's ready to turn on and good to go. This cover here that you gotta take off to remove the oil pan. Just one 14 bolt. Dust cover should be off with the 14. And it hides 2 more 10 bolts. Alright. Finally it's off, dude. Shit. There's not that much gunk, but better to clean it.